Hey, Lane, how you doing today?
Bueno.
Bueno, okay. So this is actually Kim's birthday. You know? So let's try saying happy birthday in Spanish.
Okay.
Okay. Feliz?
Navidad.
No. No. That's not right. Cut. Take two. Feliz.
Cumpleaños, Ati?
Okay. Feliz?
Cumpleaños?
Ah?
Ah?
Kimmy, Kamisha, happy birthday.
I want to say happy birthday to Miss Diamond C, Miss Kim Crabb. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss K.
Happy birthday, Miss Kim.
Happy birthday, Miss Kim. Hope you have a good one.
Happy birthday, Miss Kim. Party hard.
Happy birthday, Miss K. Thank you for making a difference since 1957. We love you.
Happy birthday, Miss Kim. Many blessings to you on your special day. We love you.
Happy birthday, Miss Kim.
Miss Crabb, happy birthday. Hope God blesses you with many, many more years.
Happy birthday, Miss Kim. We love you.
Hey, Miss Kim, wanted to wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kamisha. I love you so much. Thank you for everything you do at Diamond C. Seriously, this place wouldn't be the same without you. We love you.